Hey there! Welcome back to Triplezon. If you are searching for the best RJ45 connector to extend your Ethernet cable without changing your whole setup, you're in the right place. Today, we are looking at a simple but very useful networking accessory that can make your internet connections more flexible and reliable. Let's get started. Let me introduce the NSR RJ45 connector. This small device may look basic, but it solves a common problem. The NSR RJ45 connector works as a female-to-female Ethernet adapter. That means you can connect two Ethernet cables together easily. Instead of replacing a short cable with a longer one, you simply plug both cables into this connector and instantly extend your reach. It saves time and avoids extra cost. The NSR RJ45 connector is compatible with Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat7 cables. This wide compatibility is important because many homes and offices use different types of Ethernet cables. You do not have to worry about matching exact categories. It supports various network speeds depending on your cable type, helping you maintain smooth data transfer. This makes it flexible for different networking environments. It uses the standard 8P8C modular connector format. This is the common structure used in most Ethernet ports. Because of this standard design, the NS-RJ45 connector keeps your network signal stable and secure. You do not lose connection quality just because you extended your cable. It helps maintain reliable communication between devices like routers, computers, gaming consoles, and smart TVs. Another great thing about the NSR RJ45 connector is its compact and simple design. There are no complicated steps. You just plug one Ethernet cable into one side and the second cable into the other side. That's it. Installation takes only seconds. This is very helpful when you are rearranging your office, moving equipment, or adjusting your home network layout. You do not need special tools or technical skills. Because it works with multiple cable categories and standard connectors, the NSR RJ45 connector fits easily into existing network setups. It allows you to upgrade or expand your network without replacing cables that are already working fine. This makes it a practical and cost-effective solution. In terms of design, the NS-RJ45 connector is small and lightweight. It does not take up much space and fits neatly between cables. Even though it is compact, it plays an important role in keeping your network flexible and organized. Small connector, big convenience. If you want a quick and easy way to extend your Ethernet connection, the NS-RJ45 connector is definitely worth considering. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.